Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download music from YouTube to your file manager in MP3 format. So just follow me. At first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Then just head to youtube.com. Then make sure you're signed in. And at the top right, you'll see your profile logo. Just click on it. Then from here, just go to YouTube Studio. Then once you're in YouTube Studio, on the left-hand menu, you should see something called the audio library. Just click on that. And after you click on that, you're gonna find all of these musics, and you can also find soundtracks and everything. You can listen to them as well. And whichever you like, on the right hand side, you'll find download for it. Just click on download. Then you can just simply save it to your PC. And there you go. Then you can just browse it and play it. This is all locally, offline on your PC. And basically that is how to download music from YouTube to your system in MP3 format. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.